Hey everybody, welcome back to Know Before You Owe. Brian Parker and the Brian Parker Group. Today we want to talk about private mortgage insurance, PMI, the myths, and why it's not such a bad thing. And I think a lot of that stigma comes from it because my parents, probably your parents, they were always raised to put 20% down on a mortgage. And years and years ago, that's really the way it had to be done. And over time, there's been different ways to look at PMI, different benefits about using PMI, and different strategies about it. So I thought I would share a few of those with you here. And let's start off by saying that if you do have monthly private mortgage insurance on your loan and you make less than $100,000 combined household income per year, which is not a whole lot, I'll give you that. The PMI is actually tax deductible and does give you a tax benefit when you file your taxes each year. So just kind of keep that in mind in terms of taxes, and if you're in that bracket of how that might potentially help you down the road in doing your tax returns. Now, let's give a scenario here. Let's say that you wanted to go buy a $450,000 home and you want to put 20% down so you don't have private mortgage insurance. Okay. That's going to give you a loan amount of $360,000. And let's just say if the rate were 6.5%, then the monthly payment on that is going to be $2,275 per month. All right, so 20% down, $90,000 down payment, and doing that. So let's flip it and say, let me show you a better way on how to use your money. And let's only put 10% down, okay? And now your loan amount is $405,000, but you kept that other $45,000 in your bank account. And maybe you have it in a regular checking or savings. Maybe you have it in a high yield account where you're getting 4 to 5.5%, maybe 6% on it, and everything in that. So you've kept that in your bank account, but at the same 6.5% interest on $405,000, that monthly payment is $2,560 a month. So yeah, that's $285 more per month in your monthly payment than it would be if you put 20% down. And I get it. Sometimes it's like, I just got to get my payment as low as possible. I don't mind putting that much more money down. It works better for my household, my income, planning for college. I got kids in daycare.